Welcome to our beard trimmer showdown. Today we are comparing two popular beard trimmers, the Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. Both of these products have gained popularity among grooming enthusiasts, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. The Andis 04780 T-Outliner is a corded electric trimmer, providing consistent power without the worry of battery life. This makes it ideal for extended grooming sessions. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer is rechargeable and cordless, offering flexibility and portability for on-the-go grooming. However, its battery life is limited to about 90 minutes, which may not be sufficient for longer grooming tasks. Depending on your grooming habits, you may prefer the reliability of a corded trimmer or the convenience of a cordless option. When it comes to versatility, the Andis 04780 T-Outliner is designed for precision trimming and detailing, making it a favorite among barbers. However, it lacks additional attachments. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer comes with a 17-piece grooming kit, including various attachments for beard trimming, hair cutting, and even nose hair grooming. This makes it a more versatile option for those looking for an all-in-one grooming solution. If you prioritize precision, the Andis may be your choice, but for versatility, the SHPAVVER stands out. In terms of cutting precision, the Andis 04780 T-Outliner is equipped with a sharp carbon steel T-blade, allowing for clean lines and detailed work. This makes it a top choice for those who want a close shave. The SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer, while offering good precision, may not match the Andis in terms of detail work due to its multifunctional design. If your priority is achieving the perfect beard outline, the Andis T-Outliner is likely the better option. In conclusion, both the Andis 04780 T-Outliner and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer have their strengths and weaknesses. The Andis excels in precision and power, making it ideal for barbers and detail-oriented users. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER offers versatility and convenience, with its cordless design and multiple attachments. Consider your grooming needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.